All right, so in today's lesson, we're going to talk about subtraction of decimals and how we subtract decimals. Okay, the um, the application of subtracting decimals usually comes when you're dealing with money and when you're like budgeting, right? So like say for example, like you have a paycheck, for example, and you have to subtract like how much you're getting paid from like whatever your bills are, right? So, for example, like if we have something like let's do a realistic example. Like if you have something like let's say you get paid $750, right? But then let's say like your bills are like $325, right? Let's just say, right? So then what we would do is 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, right? We can't take 5 from 0, but so we have to go to the next part. 5 goes into, we can take, we can turn this into a 4 and make it into a 10, right? So 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 4 minus 2 is 2, and 7 minus 3 is 4, right? So this gives us $425 left, right? Okay. Let's do another example. Let's say you have $1,685, and then let's say you're taking 300, right? 0 goes into 0, 0, 0 goes into 0, 0, 5 goes into 0 5 times, 8 minus 0 is 8, 6 minus 3 is 3, and then 1 minus 0 is 1, right? So this leaves us with $1,385 left. Okay, so let's do a slightly harder example. Let's say we have $749.85, right? And then let's say we have $385.72, right? So we do 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 cannot go into 4, right? But we could turn this into a 6 and then make this into a 14. So 14 minus 8 is 6, and then 6 minus 3 is 3, right? So we're left with $364.13. Let's see, check. Let's see, 14 times $385.72 is 5, 8, 9, 14, 1 is 740, right? So this is right. Okay. All right. So that's basically it with subtraction of decimals. Basically, it's the same thing as subtracting regularly. The only difference is that we have this little extra. We have the decimal point, and we have this. We have the tens and hundreds place there. Realistically, you're not gonna go beyond like into hundreds, thousands. It's not gonna go like that, right? Usually when you subtract, and when you're subtracting decimals, usually for the most part, it's because you're subtracting it usually in the context of money, usually in this application. So for this reason, we didn't go beyond 2 decimal places. So that's it. So that's it. This is it for today. Thank you, and have a nice day.